Welcome to 3001 North 24th Street, where the architecture and the views leave you breathless. This is the Boise Treehouse on the market for the first time in 30 years. It was designed by the owner to sit amongst the trees, and there's plenty of wood, beams, and trim throughout the house to really make you feel like you are living in a treehouse. The home is 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,600 square feet on an irreplaceable 0.4 acre lot. Just look at how expansive this lot is and how expansive the home is. The natural light in this home seems to have been planned out meticulously by the previous owner, who was also the architect, as we talked about before. So it's really only something that you can truly experience in person. If you want to schedule a private showing with me, please contact me. My information is in the description below. And if you want to see more pictures of the home, check out the link in the description below as well. Thanks for stopping in, and I'll see you in the next video.